Hello, I'm Tom Rowe, Product Evangelist for CentreStack, and welcome to another CentreStack tutorial. I thought it might be helpful to walk through and demonstrate the collaborative environment of the team folder in CentreStack. The goal is to show that file, folder, and user permissions consistency is maintained between CentreStack and its clients. To accomplish this, I'll be using 3 machines for various access demos. On the Windows Server 2012 R2 machine, I have CentreStack installed. And here I will log in as the cluster administrator. Now you can see here I have a tenant called Acme Co. You can see that the tenant has a user called John Doe. Okay, so I've jumped to the Windows Server 2016 where I've installed our server agent. Okay, so I go and I connect to the Cloud Server Agent Management Console. Now you can see that I can migrate a share from my local file server. I have one called Project Folder Share SA, and I'm going to just click the Migrate button. Let's set it to two-way sync. Data and permission will be synced to cloud. A two-way sync will occur afterwards. We'll hit Continue, and we'll leave these settings to their default and migrate. As you can see, this has worked. I've got it's added administrators and everybody. Now I'm going to jump over to my Windows client, which is installed on a Windows 10 machine. And here I'm going to log in as one of the users from the Active Directory on my other machine. So now logged in as user 1, I could see the Project Folder Share SA that was just migrated to the server. And if I go inside there, I can see I've got 3 folders: for admins, for all, read-only, and for users. Now if I go into the for admins, it stops me because I'm user 1. I don't have administrator privileges and it won't let me in. So then I go to for all, read-only, and now I can get in, but this is a read-only folder. So if I attempt to add a new file to this folder, it says you're not allowed to upload to the current directory. It denies that. So I can't do that, but of course I can open files, I can download files, I can read files from here. Okay, so let's back out and I'll go into the For Users folder, and here of course I have permission as a user, so I can easily just drag and drop a file and it brings it to the server. Now let's minimize the web portal, and I'll go into Windows Explorer, and you can see that there's my cloud drive. And if I go in here, because I'm user 1 and I'm not an admin, I shouldn't be able to access for admins, and I can't. And if I go into for all, read only, you can see the test file I drug over there earlier, and now I can create another test file. And we'll try and put that in the read-only folder. And you can see I don't have write permission to that folder. So if I go up one level and go into the users and I try to put that file here, then it adds the file and synchronizes it to the cloud. So that covers collaborative team folders and shares. As you can see, CentreStack has created a suite of tools that allow you to access your shares easily from anywhere while maintaining the permissions and security settings established at the Active Directory level. That's all I have for this tutorial. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe so you can receive reminders when new videos are released. This is Tom, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.